You're welcome to my channel. This is the voice of El David Network. In today's video, I'll give you a full breakdown of the FastEarn app. So for those who are new, the app is currently running on Apple Store and also on the Play Store. You can go ahead and download via the link in the description. Download for your preferred mobile phone and use the invitation code invited, all in capital letter. So the primary token we're actually farming on this app is the UBI coin. UBI simply means universal basic income. All right, so the value of this, according to the team, you can see value of UBI coin is 60% of the platform's ad revenue, e-commerce revenue, VIP income, and other cooperative revenue. So these are some of the utility that are tied to this token. He said these revenue are shared among the remaining UBI coin. As platform income increase and UBI coin decreases, the value of each coin steadily increase. So these are the utility that are tied to the UBI coin. So it is important you understand how this project is farmed. This is the reason why I actually broke the video into section on how to go about understanding this app and also accumulating more of this token. So the good news here is that if you use the referral code invited, because I am an influencer of this project, so if you use the invitation code invited, all in capital letter as shown in the screen, you are going to get extra privilege and bonuses for startup. In the next video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to complete registration. See you in the next video.
Yesterday was to be my payment, but I was actually contacted on front to submit my payment data, like my the wallet I would like to receive my data, my reward, and also my UID, which I sent it on Sunday. And this morning I woke up to see this information that about 23 people used my link. I was even surprised because it ought to have passed 100 because of the large community I have. It seems some people are not taking this project very serious. Like I said, I'm an ambassador. About 15 people are active, and I receive 0.5 for each referral. And also my video also gave me extra $7.5 dollars. That's a total of $15, which I receive in my Bybit account. All right, I received that in my Bybit account. Let me just quickly show you as a proof. So I just want you to, you can see it. So I've received the payment. I just want you to pay attention to this project.
Alright guys, you're welcome to the part 2 of this video. So for those who are asking what is the aim of this FastEarn app, alright, so their goal is to build, you can see it, economic network for 2 billion people across the globe, and also the total supply of the UBI coin is 100 billion, and there is a bond mechanism as shown on your screen, so you can go through it. So this is the bond mechanism, and this is also the way of earning on the platform. You just complete the tasks within the in-app platform, and also you can refer to earn more, and you stake your ores and your ore and your good ore in order to accumulate more UBI coins. So without further ado, will quickly go through the practical aspect of this video. All right, so see you in the third section. All right guys, you're welcome to this third section of the video. All you have to do is to click on the link. You can see it, www.jues.cc. click on it so as to download the app to your preferred mobile device. So if you are using Android, click on Google Play. If you are using Apple, you can just go ahead and click App Store. So I'm using Android, so you just go ahead and click it. Then immediately it will appear on the Google Play Store. Just go ahead and download. So after you download the app, open it and click on Start. So in this page, you'll be told to select how to log in. So you can choose to use your email. Then a notification will be sent into your email, or you can just sign up using the what is it called, the sign in with Google. So I prefer using sign in with Google since the email is logged in to my device. So click on sign in with Google. All right, so immediately you sign in with your Google, you are going to get this interface. As you can see, your balance is just $0, and you were given just 2,000 or and 0 OG because you have not used the referral code. So this is just the when you click on my, all right, you see that you only have 0.5 UBI coin because you have not used an influencer what is it called, invitation code. So on the mining section you will see code. Click on code and enter the invitation code, invited, all in capital letter, invited. All right, so once you click on it, you click on confirm. Then immediately you confirm, you click on yes. Then you can go back and you see that $3 just appeared on your screen. If you click on mine, you can confirm that you have received extra 20 UBI for using my referral code. Congratulations to you. And also you receive 54,000 ore and 50 ore, 50 gold ore. So all because you use an influencer referral code. So the next thing to do right now, right, is to click on my, then you click on this settings icon, click on this settings icon, click on it, then you make sure you set up your profile. So this is the first task to do, set up your profile. Click on contact, then you can click on public, then you can choose your X, your WhatsApp, whichever contact you would like to add there. Just go ahead and add. All right, so you can just go ahead and click on region. I'm from Africa and I'm in Nigeria, so you just go ahead and select your country, your age, select the age as well. So you just put in the right age there and click on save. So after you've done that, you select your gender, male or female, you select it, then you are good to go. All right, so you can go back now and we have completed our first task. All right, so on the next video I'm going to show you how to complete other tasks. All right guys, you are welcome to the fourth video of the FastEarn app. So we have completed our profile. All right, from the settings we completed our profile already. So the next thing to do here is to click on food. Just ensure you feed your bird every day. So this is your mining. Already is the mining section, so make sure you mine every 4 hours, as the case may be. Sometimes it will show 5 hours as your bed continue to grow. Currently I'm in level 0. You can see my bed is currently on level 0, but as I continue to feed it, the level continue to change. All right, and also after you feed the bed, the next thing to do is to click on get. Then you click all the available points. You know, we set up our profile, so these are the points for setting up your profile: the nickname, the gender, everything you did on the last video. So you are claiming the reward now for those activities. So these are, you do your daily ensure you do your daily check-in every day, and ensure you always feed your bird. All right, so in the next video I'm going to walk you through on other earning task in the app. All right guys, you're welcome to the fifth video of the FastEarn app. If you click on this question mark here, it will give you the rules. All right, so in understanding how the UBI coin works, all right, so you can just go ahead and read through. That's just a beginner tutorial. And if you click on this, which is the rank, all right, you can see the global ranking. So if you want to check the global, click on confirm to check the global ranking of people who are currently using the app and their current level. You can see Yang is on level 6. Send it, that is my direct referral, is on level 6 as well, and other people who are actually pushing the project. All right, so this is an early project, and if you are just joining, congratulations to you. So the next thing to do right now is to click on the end section. Like I said, I'm going to show you other means of earning, and there's a welcome bonus for those who are if you are among the first 100,000 people, you are entitled to 1 USDC this will be claimable in the future. All right, so now you can click on get, then you click on stake UBI. All right, so this is another means of earning UBI on this platform. All the ore and the gold ore that we are accumulating from the mining section are to be staked. So you have to make sure you stake 75% or 100% of everything, unless you want to play the in game. That's when you should stake half. But if you are not playing the in game, you are encouraged to stake everything, so that you can mine gold. You can mine the UBI very fast. As you can see, the countdown has begun, and my UBI is already accumulating for me. If you click on the newbie guide, you can also go through and read how the staking works. So this is how the staking work. Go ahead and read it, understand what you are doing. I don't want this video to be that lengthy. All right, so remember, this is the 4th video, so I'll see you in the 5th video. All right guys, you are welcome to the 5th video. In the 5th video, I'm going to show you other means of earning in this FastEarn app. If you click on the charity angel, on this charity angel, this is for basically for those who want to become influencer of this project. So, and if you would like to be an influencer, just go ahead and hit me on WhatsApp. You can see my WhatsApp number displaying on the screen. Chat me up, and I'm going to give you breakdown on how to earn on this project. Normally, every user earns UBI points on this platform, but as influencer, you can also earn USDT directly into your wallet. I mean, they pay influencer every 10 days. They pay you every 10 days. All right, so each referral you refer, you get $0.5 for each of the referral, and this settlement is released every 10 days for their activity, for your activities. And also, if you're an influencer, like you make videos available on Twitter, on YouTube, on TikTok, and you have a lot of view, you also get rewarded for that. So that's the essence of this angel, where you submit your link to the video, so that they will approve it and check, then they give you the reward. So that's how the influencer part works. So if you want to earn more as an influencer, you can also earn 0.5 per each referral on this platform. All right, so on the referral earning, this is where you see all the breakdown: your level 1 people, your level 2 people. So you earn from level 1 and also level 2. So this is how the platform currently work, and we are currently new on the project. All you have to do is to continue doing all the tasks I've shown you. So on the UBI section, this is on the, when you click on UBI, click on bounty section, then you see some of the tasks that you need to do. Just ensure you read before completing the tasks. Some of them will require you to log in 4 times, like 4 days. If you are new, you have to wait 4 days to claim this tax. This one, you have to mine 4 days, like feed the bird 4 days for you to be able to claim this tax. You have to stake 4 days to be able to claim this tax, and just like that. So just ensure you are reading the tax, know when and when you are open to claim. That's why you should be active on this project. So in the description of this video, I'm still going to leave my, what is it called, I'll leave a full guide. I'll also leave a WhatsApp link. You can join my group so that you get subsequent information in regards to this project. There's a lot that is attached to this project, and I believe this video was helpful. And if it is, please do well to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. Join our WhatsApp for quick updates, and Telegram for full step-by-step guides on every project. Links in the description.